Good morning, good afternoon. How are you doing? We are eating today some pastry things that I saw at the store. I had to buy them. Come in this fancy package and with a fancy picture that really resembles, as you can see. So it says pastry, pâte feuilletée, pasta foglia, and we have the strawberry one, and the other one is the chocolate. Looks the same, except I destroyed it, so it looks the same. We shall start with the strawberry jam thingy. Let's go. Oh yeah, you can feel the strawberry jam. Oh yeah, you can feel the strawberry jam. There it is, kinda. Quite sweet. Oh, it's so it's mostly on the other half. That's interesting. Pretty sweet. A little too sweet for my taste, or maybe because all of it was in one spot. And it's supposed to be even. So that's pretty cool. Let me try another one. Nothing. Nothing. Wow. So this one is different. Instead of all of it lumped up into half, it's this half. This half first, this half now. So you can kind of see it. So it's all on this side now. Very crafty, those Italians, in their pastries. All right, when you get a proper bite, it's pretty nice. Evenly spread. Slightly on the sweeter side, but very good. Let's go on a chocolate exploration. So it's, you see here, you kind of see the eyes, and it's sad because it's not spread evenly. Look at him. Maybe I spoke too soon. Let's see. Nope. Tastes pretty good though. So this one had more on one side and then it kind of spread out. And yeah, all right. That's some nice chocolate filling though. It's creamy, kind of sweet, but at the same time, you'd have to taste it. What can I say? Look at that now. I don't even know what kind of bite to take. Let's go in the middle. Okay, we got a little bit. There's them on both sides, which is new. Let me... Okay. A little more even. Chocolate. I don't know what to do. Actually, let me try this. Let's cut it, and hopefully it's like the dissection we did in high school, except instead of frog, it's a poorly made croissant. Look at the spread. Yeah. But if we twist it around like this, it gets more even. Oh, take that. It's a little better. See, I didn't use the knife last time. I left it here because I'm lazy, or so I thought. Real reason, it had a bigger purpose. It needed to cut these things. All right, fruit jam. What wonders will we see? Oh, look, 2 spots. A little further, remember, chocolate was more here in the middle. And a generous amount. Yep. So let's see, we got a little more. Maybe if we, oh yeah, let's spread it. That's a good idea. Spreading. And spread a little more, kind of, huh? The most even I could do it. Let's just go. Oh, we got some. Look at all that filling in the middle. So much of it. Beautiful. Oh, that's kind of what it's supposed to look like. Wow. It was pretty good. So I give the packaging a 9 out of 10. Classy, vibrant colors. The white really calls to you. You know, good design, beautiful backgrounds as well. Very good. And if you have a huge head, this big, and therefore a huge mouth, like you could take these and just shovel them all in your mouth, and everything will mix. So you won't feel the sad distribution. Everything should mix pretty fine. So if you have a huge head, buy them. That's it. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye.